such a beautiful day in Charlotte, North Carolina, so I brought you outside to talk about credit scores. So hey guys, I'm Mary Burnewsom with BNT Realty. So when you're thinking about buying a home, your credit score is one of the biggest pieces to this puzzle. So think of it like a financial report card that lenders look at when trying to figure out if you qualify and which loan will work best for you. As the mortgage report says, the credit scores communicate to lenders that you have a track record of properly managing your debts. For this reason, the higher the score, the better your chances of qualifying for a mortgage. The trouble is, most buyers overestimate the minimum credit score they need to buy a home. According to a report from Fannie Mae, only 32% of consumers have a good idea of what a lender requires. That means nearly 2 out of 3 people have no idea. So here's a general ballpark to give you a rough idea. Experian says the minimum credit score needed to buy a house can range from 500 to 700, but ultimately depending on the type of mortgage loan you're applying for and your lender. Most lenders require a minimum credit score of 620 to buy a house with a conventional mortgage. Basically, it varies. So even if your credit isn't perfect, there are still options there. FICO explains, while many lenders use credit scores like FICO scores to make lending decisions, each lender does have its own strategy, including the level of risk they're willing to accept. There is no single cutoff score used by all lenders, and there are many additional factors that may be used. And if your credit score needs a little TLC, well, don't worry. Experian says there are some easy steps you can take to boost up. Things like, number 1, pay your bills on time. Lenders like to see you can reliably pay your bills on time. This includes everything from credit cards to utilities to cell phone bills. Consistent on-time payments shows that you are a responsible buyer. Number 2, pay off outstanding debt. Paying down what you owe can help lower your overall debt and make you less of a risk to lenders. Plus, it improves your credit ultimate ratio. And a lower ratio means you're a more reliable client for lenders. Number 3, don't apply for too much credit. While it's tempting to open more credit cards to build that score, it's best to hold off. Those discounts you get are not worth it. Too many card applications can lead to hard inquiries on your report, which can temporarily lower your score. So what does this all mean? Your credit score is crucial when buying a home. Even if your score isn't perfect, there are pathways to ownership. I have a trusted lender I'm happy to connect you with, so reach out today and let's get your home journey buying started.